Building a tiny house on wheels can be an exciting and rewarding project, whether you are looking for a minimalist lifestyle, an eco-friendly dwelling, or a mobile home for adventure. Careful planning and execution are essential. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of constructing your very own 167.66 square feet tiny house on wheels. The step 1 until 5 is about planning and preparation. The first step is about design your tiny house. Start by creating a custom design with that balance space, functionality, and budget. Utilize software to develop 3D model for better visualization. Okay, well, the second step is about choosing a suitable trailer. Your trailer serves as the foundation of your tiny house. Select one of that is sturdy and meets local regulation. Look for a trailer with a gross vehicle weight rating or GVWR of at least 10,000 pounds for structural integrity. The third step is about obtain necessary permits. Check with your local government to understand zoning laws and acquire the required buildings permit and license before starting construction. And the fourth step is about gather materials and tools. Make a comprehensive list of materials and tools. Opt for reclaimed or sustainable materials whenever possible to reduce cost and environmental impact. Fifth step is about prepare the trailer. Inspect, clean, and modify the trailer as needed to support your tiny house design. Ensure it is level and securely positioned before moving forward. Okay, and then for the steps 6 until 15, it's about framing and structural elements. The sixth step is about build the floor frame. Construct a strong floor frame using pressure-treated lumber and attach it to the trailer. Use 2x6 or 2x8 lumber for extra durability. Okay, the seventh step is about install floor decking. Cover the floor frame with 3/4 inch plywood or OSB oriented strand board for a solid and level surface. The eighth step is about construct wall frames. Build and secure wall frames using 2x4 lumber for standard walls. You can choose between wood or steel framing depending on durability needs. The ninth step is about roof trusses. Construct and install roof trusses to provide strong support for the roof. You can use pre-made trusses or build custom ones. And the 10th step is about add roof decking. Attach half-inch plywood or OSB to form a solid base for the roofing materials. And the 11th step is about install windows and doors. Fit energy-efficient windows and doors while ensuring proper sealing to prevent drafts or water leaks. And the 12th step is about add exterior seating. Install plywood or OSB seating to provide structural support and a weather-resistant barrier. And the 13th step is about install roofing materials. Choose a durable roofing material such as shingles or metal panels and follow manufacturer installation guidelines. The 14th steps is about install exterior siding. Protect your tiny house from the elements with siding materials like wood, vinyl, or metal. And the 15th step is about install trim and molding. Add exterior trim and molding to enhance the aesthetic and cover any visible gaps. Okay, everyone, the step 16 until 25 is about insulation, electrical, and plumbing. The 16th step is about insulate the floor and walls. Use fiberglass, spray foam, or cellulose insulation to improve energy efficiency and comfort. And the 17th step is about install electric wiring. Run electrical wiring throughout the house, ensuring compliance with local electrical codes. If need, hire a licensed electrician. The 18th step is about install electrical outlets and switches. Position electrical outlets and switches for convenient access. And the 19th step is about install plumbing system. Set up water supplies line, a water heater, and plumbing fixtures. If you are not experienced with plumbing, consult with a professional. Okay, the 20th step is about set up a propane system. If using propane appliance, install a propane tank and proper connection for safety and efficiency. Okay, well, now the 21st step is about install HVAC system. It's depending on your climate. Install a mini split air conditioner, propane heater, or HVAC system for temperature control. And the 22nd step is about insulate ceiling. Add insulation to ceiling to maintain indoor comfort and reduce energy costs. And the 23rd step is about install drywall. Hang and finish drywall to create smooth interior walls and ceilings. And 24th step is about lay flooring. Choose and install hardwood, laminate, or vinyl flooring based on durability and design preference. Okay, the 25th step is install cabinets and countertops. You can customize and install storage cabinets and countertops for functionality. Okay, well, for the steps 26 until 30, it's about finishing touches. 26th step is about install fixture and appliance. In this step, you have to add lighting fixtures, faucet, and kitchen appliance, ensuring proper installation and performance. For the 27th step, it's about finish interior trim. Install interior interior trim and molding for a polished, cohesive look. And for the 28th step, it's about install interior doors and hardware, attach doors, handles, and lock for functionality and security. And then the 29th step, it's about add final decor touches. Install window treatments, shelving, and decorative elements to personalize your space. Okay, well, for the 30th step is about final inspection and testing. Conduct a thorough inspection to ensure all systems work properly. Test plumbing, electrical, and appliance before moving in. Okay, this is additional tips for a successful build. The first tips is about research local building codes before starting, and then use eco-friendly materials to reduce environmental impact, and then ensure proper ventilation and insulation for comfortable living space. Then add a towing package to your trailer for easy transportation, and be prepared for unexpected challenge during construction. Hire professional for complex installation like electrical or plumbing, and keep track of your expenses to stay within budget. And then obtain necessary certification and inspection before occupying the house. By following the steps and guidelines, you can successfully build a functional, efficient, and beautiful tiny house on wheels that suits your lifestyle. And happy building!